Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kamigalia Social Development Society henne kasngi kalapanlong ya ka Jinghikai Halor ka Sengkam Sengjam nakabantaki SHD bat kiwe ki kenhun HKGP Conference Hall IGP. Hakani kasngi layadon langru kakong Iva Nongrum Community Organizer NULM Shillong Municipal Board kum kakongsan. Habakran hakani kasngi nakaliang kakong Nongrum kalapan pawi ka Jingsngongo ya Kamigalia Social Development Society kabalatray shitam ban ay Jinghikai nakabanta ka jingmantoy jeng kilong kami bat ki kenhun SHG kibadan hasor bat hakapsor. Shushu nakaliang kakong Iva kalayathu ban nakasilong municipal board kadon yaki scheme nakabanta ki kenhun bat nakabanta ki bre kibaduna de jingde kibaret ka jingyo bat kiway. Kalakan turu baken wan shakman namarkani kan ay jingmantoy nakabanta jongki.
Seng yaki business bakin yatali bakin most importantly ban increase income generating activities. Kading kren dari ba dominate ru kading dom lang din ba dominate bat Msds ru kamera kading singan kading ka experience sa ba dominate mo haga feel on jangka agriculture kamera kading singan bat I'm sure kan yarap ban stock yang kajing mentoy ke ba naka agriculture department ka ba ban ai saki nok. Terus nak ban snap ya kajing kran di ba George ke experience of e ban give up ya ka corporate business coming down to mushroom ila poi sa jong di ban ya sa po henry kajing sha di hot kajing syam jong ya covid mga mafi profile mo nila ayat betal covid ka warna ay kajing hamal lagi long yang homsem tibul dibadu no ay kakam gadang didang dibadu no business no kamay kaji bre kumang bajot kajing Asia persistent kajing ne kajing scam jo i warna ay kani ka ba ibu ang minta ka result kata ka so ka ba kajing trace tom jo i kapoy hado kaput ba kibrio kiban ban terwa pisah kalai naban kiban terwa pisah kalai anta kalau apoy ka posin jo ika balong ba ila ban ai training kalai bi dan ai kata ka encouragement bi ba piru you can be like Pak George it's not difficult ban kam makin to reach his status dan poy kata jing kata ka business yang bajot kelong ba pinyai ne tu group pinyai teling bat pinyai scam ka jing mat ka jing perkat keno ka kamuan ka basuk yang ni betrai sarkar ka jing nia syam ka jing dei ba ki staff ba ki officers hado 9% up to 7% ke pensiun ni the remaining interest ke office. Yaki woman, this is a special category. Yaki can pay SG. Lada kira tom, lada payment of regular. Dan kita sub-bending interest subsidy up to 3%. Mereka cakap apa pensiun, mereka jiksia tu kan pensiun kan 3% maybe if calculated correctly by the bank. First kita sebagai kami if you're interested. By Albinus, by Msds, you can organize another program about it. Maging pensyay yang kita. Mo, tambah kami kaluan ni ay do arla. Tambah himdan kami macam do arla. I think for us to start a Muslim business how much? 50 to 60,000. 50 to 60. You can take that loan also. You can take from 10 to 2 lakhs. As a group. Unka group pada SG any group of 5 people we give loan up to 10 lakhs. Up to 10 lakhs ke subsidy ke bank subsidy will be the same. And if you are interested, you can come to Mumbai Albinus, Labansha office. We'll give you the details. Or if lada kuat bagaimana pensyai, kita kisah dulu di balik pensyai, kita managers kita pet dan pet di SG kita managers dan pet dan I alone mungkin saya akan ID how to go about know proses mungkin sini alone
we search for job, we don't get. We start off business and like we lose, disheartened, and we give up our businesses. So what we did was in our own farm, we have employed 4 to 5 local boys and girls from Moktan village. So they come and work with us, pay them the daily wage that is set by the SNOM. 300, 400, whatever, we go by that so that they are also happy. Our work is done, people get employed. Yes, as the owner of a business, we do suffer sometimes because our business doesn't go as we plan. However, like it is a joy, like somebody get livelihood from our unit. Okay, so that is one part of it. The second part, what I find missing in many entrepreneurs when I do self-help group is this. We don't approach the right department in the right channel. It happened to me also. Everything mine, money from my pocket. I don't need anybody. So that is the mentality we have when we start our business. Another thing I observe is when we start, we want to be by ourselves, like Ba was saying. We don't want to share our knowledge. We don't want to take any information from others. We want to be individualistic, self-centered. Tangba, what I have realized in the last few months is the more you share, the more knowledge you get to expand yourself.